Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from the 2000 AMC question 9. Three-digit powers of 2 and 5 are used in this cross number puzzle. What is the only possible digit for the outline square? So if we look at three-digit powers of 2 and 5, for 2 we have only 128, 256,